I'm Gabriel. Welcome to the Avalonia Land Conservancy, Knox Preserve. It's wintertime at the Knox Preserve. There is a diversity of habitats, including a salt marsh, woodlands, and grasslands. Evergreens and shrubs are an ideal habitat for an owl. On our winter walk, I was lucky to spot an endangered long-eared owl. Then naturalist Bruce Feldman explained how uncommon it was to see this owl. They are nocturnal animals.
They're northern species. They'll fly down here. They're very rare. They used to breed in the state, but they don't anymore. They rarely do. They're a state endangered species. When you see them in the winter, they like to spend the day in these evergreens. These are cedars right here, and you can sometimes see a little shape where they're just pressed against the trees. They're very camouflaged, so you almost will not see them.
One of the roles of Avalonia's volunteers is to keep invasive species in check. Bruce Feldman says some of the worst culprits of the Knox Preserve are multiflora rose, Japanese knotweed, Japanese barberry, and oriental bittersweet. What is this red berry?
That is the berry of a really bad invasive species called the Asian bittersweet. You almost never see one berry. You'll see hundreds of them. The birds like them. They were brought here originally in the 1700s, 1800s as garden plants. They didn't stay in the garden. The birds will eat the berries, they'll scatter them everywhere, and they tend to grow really fast and really thick, and they can crowd out. They have very thick, like here's, right here, that's the stem of the berries. They'll crowd around, they'll circle around native trees, they'll grow in real big thickets.
We also looked at some native plants, such as milkweed, little bluestem grass, and goldenrod. One of my favorite views at the Knox Preserve is the large and open meadow, which is full of goldenrod in the late summer and fall. Feldman says that a number of birds rely on this meadow for nesting and hunting, and many insects, especially bees and butterflies, thrive on goldenrod. I was pleasantly surprised to see bluebirds in the meadow during the wintertime. Bruce Feldman says that some resident bluebirds remain in the Knox Preserve all winter, and they change their diet from eating insects in the summer to eating berries in the wintertime. I would like to thank Beth Sullivan and Bruce Feldman for showing me the beauty of the Knox Preserve and sharing their knowledge with me.
So this area, this preserve covers a lot of different habitats. It's amazing in a fairly short space just how much is here. I mean, you've got sort of this upland forest area, you've got stone walls that show how this has been used over the years. You've got a little marshy area here, you've got fields, and then you've got marsh. But it's a very rich area and a very diverse area, which is why it's so valuable.
For more information about the Knox Preserve and other preserves, visit avalonia.org.